Aloha, class. This is Brother Castillo. I hope everyone had a great week. And those of you stateside, hope you had a nice Thanksgiving holiday. This week we're on Lesson 11, Organizational Change, Culture, Incentives, and Motivation. We'll start off with a Did You Know piece of trivia, recap Lesson 10, talk about the Lesson 11 objectives and the assignments due for Lesson 11. We'll quickly talk about the HOA group meetings and one final thought. Did you know that if you invested instead of spent $350 a day at a rate of 6%, you would have $106,000 after 30 years? The lesson here is even saving a little over a long period of time adds up. All right, recap of Lesson 10, the wilderness activity. Team versus self. Obviously, you have to work together as a team and try to balance your own self-interest and motivations and ideas versus that of the team. The next thing to think about is, what are your persuasion skills like? Are they something that you've developed or just something that you need to work on? And along with that, the concept of lean forward and step back. Some people, by their personalities, find it more natural to speak up and voice their opinions. Sometimes it makes sense to step back a little bit. And if you are naturally more reserved or quiet or reticent, that might be a situation where you need to lean forward a little more. And both of these situations would require someone to come out of their comfort zone. So that's the idea here. All right, let's talk about Lesson 11. We're going to talk about the principles of organizational change. Look at the role of organizational culture and satisfaction in the workplace, and consider employee motivation and its role in effectiveness. The assignments that are due on Tuesday, 11 p.m. Mountain Time, you have a case study write-up due, the Barbara Norris case, leading change in the general surgery unit. The readings for this week and the 5 behaviors of a dysfunctional team are pages 117 to 156. Due Saturday by 11 p.m. Mountain Time is having your HOA meeting completed. During the week, your reading, discussion, posting, and your self-assessment. This week, I'll be meeting live with groups 8 and 9, so I look forward to that. Team leaders, make sure you find the agenda link and post it to the discussion board. One final thought. This comes from Elder Uchtdorf. What shall we give in return for so much? This is during this Thanksgiving holiday. How can we give back for the blessings we've all received? All right, everyone. Have a great week, and I'll see you online. Bye-bye.